Do you never want to have to cold call again? Do you want to find other ways to generate leads from the top of funnel in your database? Well, join me as I bring to you events in a box to generate more leads and referrals. Learn the proven techniques and strategies that teams are using to leverage events to generate more transactions. We're going to give you the process, how to throw an event, what you need to do for the whole process of an event, how to have a successful event, and how to generate more referrals through the event and through tools for follow-up. By the end of this class, you'll have all the knowledge and skills that you need to plan and execute a successful event. So don't miss this opportunity to get creative and think outside of the box and host a client event that will give you referrals for life. Make it a great day, and we'll see you soon.